Okay, let's look at anemia, Amethyst, and Bazaar. So anemia, noun, when you don't have enough red blood cells, so you could be tired easily. When your body is missing something, a certain bacteria or a certain cell, a certain kind of cell, not necessarily bacteria, but a certain kind of cell, when it's missing enough of those, you become tired easier. Tired easier. With this diet, you will have anemia soon. Yes. When you don't have enough red blood cells in your blood, then you could be tired easily. So be conscious about that. So amethyst, noun, a violet or purple precious stone. A stone from the ground, from the hills, the mountains, who knows where exactly. I have an amethyst as decoration. A stone, a nice little rock as decoration, maybe on the mantelpiece or in a frame on the wall. But a nice purple or violet rock. That's kind of see-through. You can see through it. But it's got so many angles and its shape is so weird that it's just beautiful to look at. Nice piece of decoration to decorate the house. Yeah. Yeah, I have an amethyst in the living room in front of the television. A nice little piece of history in its own way. Nice little beautiful thing to have. Nice little uniqueness in a way. It's just nice to have. And a bazaar, noun, a market in a Middle East country. What do you want to buy from the bazaar? So a marketplace. You got money. You want to go buy things. A tourist. Go to this place and buy stuff. Carpets, backgammon, or even an amethyst. How cool is that? I'm sure you can find those all over the world. And a bazaar, well, you'd find all sorts of exotic, let's have that word, exotic things in a bazaar, like things from a distant, foreign land in a bazaar. A marketplace or a market in the UK will have completely different things compared to a bazaar, just the way it is, which is pretty cool. But I probably have been to a bazaar a long time ago because I went to Egypt once, back in 2001, 2 or 3-ish. I think 2001. I think so, I'm not too sure. I think so. Pretty sure 2001. So I might have gone to a bazaar back then, a long time ago. Who knows how things have changed. But that is not where I bought the amethyst from. No. Nor have I ever had the problem with anemia. Just the way it is. I don't know exactly. So how cool is that, language explorers? Anemia, amethyst, bazaar. Let's keep exploring.